Hey everyone, I'm Dan Spada, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new built-in background feature in Google Meet. I am super excited for today's video because it is finally here. The update so many people have been waiting for, the ability to change your custom backgrounds in Google Meet. Now, some of you might have seen my other video, which shows you how to put in custom backgrounds using videos, pictures, text overlays using OBS. And that is still a really important video because this new update doesn't allow you to do text overlays or have videos in the background. So if that's something you're interested in, you're definitely going to want to check out the link in the description below or click on the link up top here. But in this video today, I'm going to show you the new update that's built right into Google Meet. So to access this, all you have to do is go to the bottom right corner where you see the three dots. And then you'll see an option that says Change Background. And when you click on that, you'll see a little preview window with some backgrounds that are already in a library here. So I can click any one of these. So let's do a pool. And you'll see there's my background. There's a whole bunch of other ones, so you could do like a living room, or what else do we have? A kitchen. So there's all kinds of stuff that's built in here, and you can see it's not perfect. It'd probably be better if I didn't have my headset on. But it does do, a very basic crop of your body. And if you move around too much, you'll see like there's some issues. You can kind of see it in between like your fingers. Your arms kind of disappear a little bit. But for being a new feature here, it's really good. And it's very similar to the features that Zoom had. You can also add in any image that you want. So an image that you find from the internet, an image that you have saved on your computer or your Chromebook. So I'm just going to go and pick one out of my pictures I have on my desktop. So I just found one that was on my desktop. It's just an EdTech show logo. And it does look backwards to you, but for the people in your Google Meet, it will look forward. Just like in the other video where I showed you how to put your custom backgrounds and text overlays in. It appears backwards to you, but everybody else in your Meet will see it forward. There are a couple other options that you have here. You can do a slight blur to your background, or you can do like a full blur. And I'll show you those in a second. But for now, let's go and we can turn off the background just by clicking where it says turn off background. And let me just turn my computer a little bit and kind of see my messy studio here. But you can see a slight blur is, you can still kind of see the background, but it's a little bit blurry. Or you can do the full blur, which makes it very blurry. And it is important to know you don't need the green screen for any of these backgrounds in Google Meet. So if I did the clouds, you'll see it doesn't matter whether it's a green screen or like the regular background in my studio, it still works. So this is an update that Google is still rolling out. So you might not see this option yet, but you should see it within the next 2 weeks. One other really great feature that I just noticed is I hopped out of the Meet I was using to create the video. And when I went to hop into the new Meet, I went to change the background and I noticed that the image that I uploaded with the EdTech show background was right there in my library. So it gives you quick access to previous images that you've uploaded for backgrounds, which I think is a really great time-saving tool. So this is an update that a lot of people have been waiting a long time for, and I know a lot of teachers and students are going to be very excited to get in and try out their own backgrounds. But if you are looking for something a little bit more advanced, so like how to put in a custom video in the background or how to put in a custom text overlay that you can change in real time, please check out my video in the description below that shows you how to do that using a free program called OBS. But I do love that this built-in feature in Meet makes it very quick and very easy for any teacher or student to be able to go in and change their background. Now, if you found a really great picture that you think your students are going to love, please let us know what it is in the comments section below. And if you know any students or colleagues who could benefit from watching this video, please feel free to share it with them. And if you haven't subscribed to the EdTech Show, please take a second, click on that subscribe button, and click on that notification bell so that you get notified every time there's a new video. And if you haven't followed me yet on Twitter, please take a second and follow me at Dan Spada. And on Facebook at facebook.com/the EdTech Show. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.